Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. This video is part 2 to my Christmas clearance haul. These items are from Target and my area had the Christmas stuff marked down to 50% off. So I didn't go too crazy, but I had to get some stuff. So we have these little tins here, which are so cute. We got the red ones and we got all the ones that we saw. And these were regularly $1 each, and we ended up paying 50 cents. So here is the red tower. This is like 20 something here. And they fall everywhere. Okay. Let me be smart about this. Can't put everything back into this little tin here. Okay. And then we also got the green ones. And the green ones have the little trees and the houses on them. So that's super cute. And we got 15 of the green. That was all that they had. Also, we got some gift bags. The gift bags were all 50 cents basically. These large ones here were $1 each. So these are super cute. Let me zoom out a little bit. So there we go. There we go. Alright. So these were $1 each. And then these here are a little bit smaller and they say Be Merry on them. This is that plaid print. I love this black and white one though. And then this one that says Let It Snow with the glitter snowman. I'm not a fan of glitter gift bags, but it is what it is. And then here we have the 2 count. I'm going to be looking for more of these. And these were 50 cents as well. But basically when you average that out, it's 2. Each of these were 25 cents each. So I am going to be looking for more of these. I'm going to try to see if I can score some 90% off clearance stuff. But because we saw these items, especially these tins here, and we knew that we would be set for next year, we decided to just go ahead and buy them. And then lastly, we got these from the Wonder Shop section. These were $1.50 for the 2 of them. Came down to 75 cents. So that's a really good deal. And then we got cards to put into the gifts next year. And this one, each of these are from the Dayspring line, and they were regular $7 each, marked down to $3.50 or so. And it says, I got 4 actually. We got 4 packs for $14, so that's a really good deal. And the message inside of this one is the scripture, Ephesians 5:2, Christ loved us and gave himself up for us. And the inside message is, may the Lord's great love bless you this Christmas. And on the outside, it says, Jesus, he came to us. He came not to a throne, but to a manger. He lived not as a king, but as a servant. He chose not a kingdom, but a cross. He gave not just a little, but everything. And this is from Holly Girth. Then this one here says, God's peace to you this Christmas. I love this little design. And then the inside message of this one is, as you celebrate the holiday, may you sense God's gentle reminder that he is near and his love is real. And the scripture is John Chapter 1 verse 14, the world was made flesh and dwelt. The word was made flesh and dwelt among us. And then this one says, worthy one Emmanuel, God with us, the word Jesus, Prince of Peace, light of the world, the shepherd, the risen one. And then the inside message is, may the miracle of Christmas be alive in your heart this season and forevermore. And then the scripture in this one is Psalm chapter 100 verse 4. Enter his gates with thanksgiving. Be thankful unto him and bless his name. And then the last one that we got is this one. Jesus is the gift that perfectly fits the size of every heart. Inside message, may the Lord bless you with the gift of his perfect peace this Christmas and a sense of his presence in your heart every day. And scripture, John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. And this is a set of 14 cards, and we give, our goal every year, like I said, is at least 40. So we have enough cards, and if we need more, then I'll just make them. I also got one of those Sterlite totes to keep all this stuff inside of, and that was $6. And then we got these for the kiddos. We got these for the kiddos. These Dear Santa ones here. And on the front it says, Dear Santa, I hope you are doing well and getting plenty of rest before Christmas Eve. This year I have been very good, a little bit naughty, but I promise I will try harder to be good. Here is my wish list for Christmas. I would really like 1, 2, 3. My dream Christmas present would look like this, sign, and then there's also one on the back here, Dear Santa, and then there's some stickers and all that. So we got these for the kids at church, and they'll have fun with this. And I believe that is it. That is it. Oh, I got this for my nephew. And this says Wanna Snuggle. It's just one of those little paint sets. He was talking about one of those. And then I got another plaid bag. Like, I really needed another pouch. Whatever, I got it. And this is actually their shave bag, but I like the plaid print, and this was marked down to $1.50. So that is it from Target. All this stuff I can now put away and leave it away for next year. I do plan on, again, going back to Target after later in the week, maybe earlier next week, just to see if I can score any of the clearance items 90% off. I'll even take 70% off, but what I got I'm very happy with. And if you guys did not see part 1 to my Christmas clearance haul, which was my Hobby Lobby clearance stuff, be sure to check that out. I'll have it linked in the description box. Let me know if you guys have found any Christmas deals and what your favorite steals are in the comment section below. And be sure to check out my blog, chaoticcritic.com, and follow me on Instagram at chaoticcritic to see what's up next. Give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and feel free to share with a friend. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!